When I see a Skywalk, it brings the Jedi out of me. So then I have to become a Skywalker. Good morning. I'm at the Punnawithi BTS station. And I was actually driving around on my bicycle on Saturday morning. And I wanted to have a look in Sukhumvit 101 at the Troop Complex, and then I just realized this really cool skywalk that is going between Punnawithi and Udom Suk station. And you know, when I see a skywalk, it brings the Jedi out of me. So then I have to become a Skywalker. By the way, this is a very nice temple that I already installed before, and I think I'm gonna check it out after this skywalk. Okay, so I remember the first time that I came to Punnawithi that this was the end of the walk. So basically this is how you got out of the SkyTrain. But they made this whole walk now all the way to Udom Suk station. So let me show ya. I really love this kind of projects where it makes it much easier to walk around in Bangkok. Because without the skywalk you have to go over the pavement here, which is not that bad. But a lot of times you're walking in the sun and let's say it's not ideal. But now with the skywalk you can just yeah, it's easy to move around. So between Udom Suk and Punnawithi you have the true digital park, which is in front there. So I think they are probably responsible for this skywalk, because for them it makes a lot of sense to, you know, give people easy access to their building. Yeah, this area actually changed a lot, as every area in Bangkok. Some new office building over there, pretty futuristic. I used to come to this area I remember I used to make my business cards here when we were starting up with Global Travel Mate. There was this place here that had very cheap business cards. Yeah, I remember in that time we had a friend from Sweden that we used to go to school with, and I haven't seen him for ages, which is a shame. I should actually connect with him again. His name is Anders, and some people might know him as the cereal pickler. And it's really cool. I mean, he went into the pickle business. So I should actually check him up. We haven't seen each other for ages. Yeah, so I'm getting here to the digital park. Yeah, it's just you know, when you live in Bangkok, you come to areas, and if you don't go for 1 or 2 years, it completely surprises you how it changed. So this used to be a a sports club, a luxury sports club. Now it's the true digital park. And here, I remember very well, there was a McDonald's, and I think it was a Top supermarket. Steve, I don't know if you remember. Steve is a friend of mine. He lives in the Lake District in England. He used to live here for a couple of years, and he had to go back. Well, he went back to England together with his wife and kids. And I used to go here on this spot, have McDonald's. Funny how things change. So I'm actually gonna make a video about the true digital park as well, but I'm gonna continue the Skywalk now. And I'm gonna walk towards Udom Suk. I think it connects all the way to Udom Suk, but I'm actually not sure. Yeah, actually I like this area. With Songkran, for a couple of years, we used to go to Udom Suk. And Songkran is the Thai New Year. And Songkran basically is the end of the dry season. And one of the big parts of the Thai New Year of Songkran is that you throw water. It's called the Water Festival, and it takes a couple of days. And with Songkran, because Anders was living in this area, he invited us a couple of times, and it's just really amazing because if you, in that time, I think now it's not allowed anymore, but if you go to the local areas, people are sitting on the back of their pickup truck and they throw water at each other, and to get wet is not a big issue, but it's always the people that have the really cold water. And if you, I mean, a good Songkran is when you can get a hold of ice cold water and spray it on people. So yeah, I see the Skywalk is not going all the way to Udom Suk, but that's good. You know, that's why I'm here, to update y'all. Yeah, okay, so I hope, okay. Yeah, so with Songkran, we used to go to Udom Suk Road and then just walk through the area. And yeah, got sprayed by water, splashed by water. And I remember at that time we were the only Falang here. Falang means foreigner. And it was just a really nice local experience. And this is one of the things that I like about these areas. You have the Mukatas, which is the barbecue places. Yeah, it's really nice. Anyway, I am going to finalize here because the Skywalk is done. I am done. I'm gonna walk back to the digital park and make a nice movie about it. So I hope you enjoyed this small update. That was for you, Paul. Small, like gold member. And I hope to see you guys in my next... No, wait a minute. If you like it, you subscribe. And then after that, I hope to see you guys in my next video.